You haven't even tried listening to it.
I'm not gonna
Mufasa,
listen.
have you?
No, actually.
You haven't.
My man.
Have you?
I've listened to Iceman. I haven't listened to Habib Dilimidov.
Yeah. And speaking about Iceman, I saw that he literally froze
Yeah,
2 seats
Hey.
with ice.
for the rollout, yeah,
For-
album.
yeah, as Iceman.
I mean, the rollout, the leading up to it was fire because like everything that he did, like the block in Toronto and like everything, the rollout was fire.
Yeah.
It's weird that everything leading up was fire and then it was just dry.
Spending $280,000
It wasn't
for
dry.
chasing those chase
I
minutes.
personally enjoyed it.
Yeah. But you also made another point saying, which must be tested, saying Drake still makes music for the youngins.
Yeah. That's what I got because, like I
He
said,
doesn't mature with.
like I said, I haven't listened to
making
him,
music.
but
Yeah.
the people that listen to him, Barry, he doesn't grow.
Yeah.
The way that his peers are growing.
Yeah.
Musical.
Yeah.
But also, Drake, he knows his target market. Young fuckboys.
But that can't be your target market forever.
True,
What
though.
my man? What about the person that started listening to you? Come up here.
Yeah.
They don't wanna hear you rapping about
Bahula Loe.
Bahula Loe,
Yeah.
so they expect so they feel like now they older than him. Even though
What's your general take? Should Drake leave music?
No.
never
Leave music.
he should.
Eh?
Drake is one of the most talented.
Right. So
Sure.
with you not listening to the album currently, you are already writing that album off based on the comments, or are you still gonna give it a chance?
The one album that I'll give a chance is Iceman, not the other two.
Okay.
I get like that the other two, he just released them
To get out of the contract.
Yeah.
So if it does well and with you still not fucking with him, and it does well and all prove her wrong,
It's gonna do well regardless.
I think
this album could have been Maskandi or quite still gonna pull the same numbers.
I think it did in a way to numbers.
Could have been anything.
Yeah.
But so you're saying Drake can release anything?
Anything.
And it will go.
It's gonna go. It's like
what do you think? What do you think that is? Why do you think that is?
It's just Drake. It's influence.
It's when you make so many classic albums.
Yeah.
You give yourself a name.
Okay.
Once you have that name, you have it forever.
Yeah,
nice. Kanye.
Kanye can release trash.
And it just goes.
Gonna go you know. And so yes. That's how influential the name and the person is.
No, but
there is that persona.
There was one guy, on TikTok.